Hey, what's going on, everybody? So, in this area, there's such an influx of people moving in that all the properties are going for practically double. So, I've been getting a rental ready to get put on the market and jump on that. I'd be stupid not to jump on that. It's crazy, crazy. I'm definitely not the brightest bulb on the tree, but that's what I'm thinking. We might get a little extra car part money, so, get everybody caught up, and then we're going to start hitting it hard. I mean hard. It's 57 and the 66. Sorry for being a slacker. Appreciate you watching, and enjoy the video. Chevelle, it's happening. Gotta do it. Yeah. All right, this is my 1966 Chevelle. Unfortunately, the gentleman that I owned this car had passed away, and his son was selling it. I gave $1,800 for this car. I'm not going to sell this, so I'm going to throw all the prices out here on this one, what I spend. But this car has aged weird. Let's take a quick walk around, and we'll see what's up with it. Under the hood, looks great. There's, no rust whatsoever. Of course, it's got some of the obvious rust right down here under the quarter or the fender. The rocker looks great. The door looks great. The interior on this car is not bad. The door panels look pretty good. It doesn't have the original seats. Now we get to the back, and the back is just trashed. Window channel was gone, and the window was leaking or something, and they tried to feather some fiberglass in here. That's some custom work there. You look at the trunk here, and it looks decent. The floor is just scrap laying in here, but the whole back floor was missing, and you can see how it just rusted, just bad. Very strange. It's like it was like itty bitty shed or garage where the car was halfway in and then the back end was out. Not sure what happened here. I'd like to have talked to the gentleman that owned it, but this quarter ain't much better. Oh, there's a big hole right there. Yeah, big hole. See, the bottom of the doors look good. Yeah, I think the back end of this car sat outside, and the front half was covered. I took these out, do the rear tail light assemblies with everything in there. I think I'm missing this one trim bezel. Some people might call it a parts car, but I think it's got some potential for sure. I got the glass in the shed, so I didn't want it to get broke. I think it's a solid car. I think she could be fixed on. It's going to take some work. I think she's solid. Wow, that was a freaking workout there, man. It's been a long winter. Not that I was in any better shape last summer. I'm stoked. I am pumped up. ain't no other place I'd rather be or doing what I'd be doing right now. I've been thinking about doing this for years, getting back to working on cars and stuff, so we're making it happen. Turn it up in there a little bit. Yeah. Need to cut my hair. You know, wear a hat for a couple weeks. It'll be all right. Do people even use these anymore? Gina saw the pressure washer out. Time to pressure wash all the throw rugs. Making a list, and it's getting mightier and mightier the longer I sit here. A big old piece of slag hits me right in the head and sits there, and all of a sudden, oh, how does that happen? We wire brushed it really good and best we could, and sprayed some of the chassis black on there, and not looking too bad. So I'm happy with that, and we'll get the sand in on this. I guess I should have done that first and then painted it all at the same time, but we'll get the sanding on this. I'm going to take this box, this heater box or whatever it is, completely off. That's why I didn't concentrate on trying to get that off of there. We'll take that off and clean all this up around here. And most likely we'll have to get a new fan, but we'll check it out. But then that'll be real nice in there. So, all right, keep plugging away. Swap meet, stopped at the Buc-ee's, got some gas. I was going to get another t-shirt, you know. Squirrels are cool, but beavers rule. They seem to not sell them anymore. Hey, we're here. So let's go on in and see if we can find some stuff we didn't even know we needed. Getting after it at the speedway. 110 in the shade. No, 105. I was talking to Gina last night. She's like, you can get rid of some cars? When are you going to get rid of some cars? Because you're getting a lot of cars. So when are we going to get, when are we going to get rid of some? I just mocked this up real quick to see what it looked like. Not too bad. You know, we're not doing no restoration here. We're just trying to build a solid car and just drive the crap out of it. Get rid of the rust and make it look halfway decent and just run it. I've been procrastinating. So let's get that Bondo off and see what's underneath there. Dude, that's some serious ass Bondo. Damn. It's crinkled all the way around here, down. Look at them fancy patch panels. There's some more wrinkling right there. Yeah, I didn't even grind that off. I'm sure it's toast. Between that and all this, and you could buy the quarter panel that just goes up to here without the sail, full quarter, for 119 bucks. I mean, that would be not too bad just to cut a piece in there. This was all full of that fiberglass and Bondo too, and it's pretty decent. I have a brand new Dutchman panel. Yeah. Anyways, we're getting there. Not really. Good half inch. Damn. Wow. We'll cut all that out. And the same right here along this edge as the other side. But the rest of it looks probably salvageable. And then we'll fix this down here. Holy cow, I was right. little bit on the passenger front there. Yeah, we can put a patch in there. The rest of it looks really nice. So it looks nice. Little bit right back here. That's patchable. Of course, the back under the back seat is way worse. Weld something in there underneath the back seat. No, you know, no one's gonna see that. Okay. Nobody cares. Well, maybe two people.